welcome to Peckins. We are working on Advanced English 5 Words a Day, lecture number 41. I would like you guys to write down the words. The first word is articulate. The first word is articulate. The second one is ascend. The second word is ascend. The third one is ascertain. The third word is ascertain. The fourth is assent. The fourth word is assent. And the fifth one is corroborate. The fifth word is corroborate. Let's write down these words. Articulate is actually relate is both an adjective and a verb. अगर आप कहते हैं ना he was an articulate speaker वो होगा जो अपने जो thoughts हैं वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बता सके. As a verb आप articulate का कह सकते हैं कि he was not able to articulate his true feelings to the people. Articulate का मतलब है कि वो लोगों को बता नहीं सका था अपनी true feelings. He was not able to impart. I'll write down this word impart. Or was not able to convey. So articulate means convey. Adjective में तो articulate use होता है ना, जैसे articulate speaker, articulate teacher. इसका मतलब है कि वो बंदा जो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अपनी बात को बता रहे हैं. मगर he was unable to, अगर आप कहते हैं कि he was unable to articulate his true feelings, इसका मतलब है वो अपनी feelings सही तरीके से नहीं बता. Was not able to articulate. अगर वो articulate कर सके इसका मतलब है वो सही तरीके से बता रहे हैं. Then ascend. The path ascends. Ascend का मतलब basically होता है कि ऊपर जाना. He ascended to the power. Ascended to the power होता है मतलब वो छोटी अभी position में था और अब वो ऊपर चला गया. Ascend basically means to go up. Then we have a certain. The man was trying to ascertain the reason for the failure of his son in the business. Ascertain का मतलब होता है कि जब आप किसी चीज को determine करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं. I was trying to ascertain the reason you left me. I was trying to determine the reason why you left me. Then we have assent. He had to assent to the proposal. Assent का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज के साथ agreement करते हैं. I have to assent to the statement. IELTS में बहुत ज्यादा लोग इसको यूज करते हैं. I agree with this statement. आप कह सकते हैं I would like to assent to the statement. मैं इसका sentence लिख देता हूँ. I would like to assent to the statement. Then we have corroborate. There were many people who corroborated his story. What is corroborate? अगर कोई इंसान कह रहा है कि मैं उधर गया था और उसको कोर्ट में उसको प्रूफ करना है. अगर 2-3 लोग उसको आगे कहते हैं कि हाँ ये बंदा गया था. What are they doing? They are corroborating his story. What is the meaning of corroborate? Corroborate means to support something, to actually strengthen a point of view. Let's revise these words very carefully. Articulate. He was able to articulate his feelings. इसका मतलब है कि वो अपनी feelings जाहिर कर सका था. Articulate means to actually be able to be capable enough of actually giving out the things clearly. Then we have ascent. Ascent means to go up. Then we have ascertain the truth. Ascertain का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज को determine करते हैं. I was trying to ascertain the reason why he misbehaved with the man. मैं उस चीज को ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Then we have assent to something. He assented to the proposal. I assent to the statement. इसका मतलब है कि मैं इसके साथ agreement कर रहा हूँ. And then we have corroborate. Corroborate का मतलब होता है when you support something. Everyone corroborated his point of view. इसका मतलब है हर बंदे ने उसके point of view को support किया था. Okay, thank you.